I signed up to go here because a lot of my uncles and my grandpa used to weld, so I was always kind of like fascinated by it, and I've never really been scared of fire.
Emma is one of my best. She's a hard worker. Her background is to work. She has to show up and work. She shows up every day on time and does what she has to do, but quickly learned that her welding skills were above and beyond the boys, that's for sure.
It may be a boys predominant program, but you could still do it. I've been learning a lot, and it's gotten me to where I am today, and I still have room to be able to grow and learn more. I've learned how to make flux core and stick. I've built a couple of the tables that are out there, and right now we're currently working on fixing a mower deck.
In the welding industry, it's kind of a pass or fail thing, but she was a pass from day one.
It's preparing me to learn how to be responsible and how to actually weld and be safe while welding and repair stuff.
Kirkland Ranch in general instills employability skills. Our first and foremost, we want them to be employable. We want them to be able to work. We want them to know how to work. They have to want to be here, and they have to maintain a grade point average to be here. So they work a little bit harder to stay here, and that's one of the goals of this school, is to get those kids educated, but to make sure that they're ready for the workforce, not just school.
After I graduate from this program, I want to go in to being a welder.